after 60. These 3 T's restore muscle strength and keep you walking strong. Are you over 60 and struggling with shaky legs, wobbling balance, or that bone-deep tiredness that just won't quit? You're definitely not alone in this fight. These are the top concerns I hear about every single day from my patients who've crossed that 60-year milestone. Here's what's really scary, though. These aren't just annoying little problems. They're downright dangerous because they set you up for nasty falls, steal away your freedom, and slowly eat away at the confidence you once had in simple daily tasks. Here's what makes me frustrated. Too many doctors are telling folks like you that there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. They'll shrug and say, well, that's just what happens when you get older. What a load of nonsense. Sure, your body changes as the years roll by. I won't sugarcoat that. But here's the truth they're not telling you. You don't have to just roll over and accept weakness. Your body can stay strong, keep moving, and bounce back from challenges well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. The secret? You've got to give it the right kind of support. And guess what? One of the easiest ways to start rebuilding muscle and walking strong again doesn't involve another pill bottle cluttering your medicine cabinet, some crazy workout routine that'll wear you out, or those expensive supplements that promise the moon. Today, I'm going to share 3 specific T's that can help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Don't worry, these aren't some weird, hard-to-find miracle drinks. They're backed by solid research and have been safely used for generations. When you drink them regularly, they can calm down inflammation, get your blood flowing better, help your muscles work like they should, and give you that steady energy you've been missing. But first, let me explain what's actually happening inside your body as you age. Because once you understand the real problem, you'll see exactly how these T's can help you prevent leg muscle loss after 60. Once you hit 60, something called sarcopenia starts creeping in. What's that? It's basically your muscles slowly shrinking and getting weaker. Several things team up to cause this. You're probably not moving around as much. Your hormones aren't what they used to be. Inflammation is constantly buzzing in your body, and your blood isn't flowing like it should. What happens next? Your muscles get smaller, they tire out faster, and they take forever to bounce back after you use them. Sound familiar? Let's talk about 2 powerful teas that can help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Ginger turmeric tea and chamomile tea. Most people think of ginger and turmeric as just cooking spices and chamomile as simply a bedtime drink, right? But when you understand how these 3 work together, you're creating a complete healing system that tackles the major causes of weak legs: inflammation, sluggish circulation, elevated stress hormones, and poor recovery. Let's start with ginger. Scientists have studied this root extensively, and here's what they found. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that work like natural blood vessel relaxers. They help your blood vessels open up wider so blood can flow more freely throughout your body. Why does this matter for preventing senior leg muscle loss? Because better blood flow means your muscles get more oxygen and nutrients delivered right where they need them. When you're dealing with leg muscle loss after 60, poor circulation is often the sneaky culprit behind those heavy, tired legs, muscle cramps, and that worn-out feeling. Now let's talk about turmeric. This golden root contains curcumin, which is one of nature's most powerful inflammation fighters. Here's something important to understand. Inflammation isn't just a symptom of weak muscles. It's actually causing them to get weaker. It speeds up muscle breakdown, makes your joints stiff, and turns even light activity into an uncomfortable struggle. Curcumin steps in and blocks the enzymes and signals that cause inflammation, cooling down that internal fire and giving your muscles a real chance to rebuild themselves. Research shows that curcumin doesn't just reduce joint pain. It actually protects your muscle fibers from getting damaged in the first place. If you're not sleeping deeply enough, it doesn't matter how much protein you eat or how many exercises you do. Your muscles simply can't recover and grow stronger without quality rest. Chamomile helps you fall asleep faster and stay in that deep, restorative sleep phase longer, giving your muscles the recovery time they desperately need. Together, Ginger turmeric tea and chamomile tea give you both immediate relief from soreness and long-term rebuilding of strength. Think of it as a tag team approach. Ginger and turmeric handle the day shift, fighting inflammation and boosting circulation while you're active. Chamomile takes the night shift, lowering stress hormones and optimizing your recovery while you sleep. But here's the thing. How you prepare these teas really matters if you want to get the full benefit. For your ginger turmeric tea, you'll want to use fresh ginger root instead of the powdered stuff because fresh releases way more of those helpful gingerols. Fresh turmeric root is your best bet too, though turmeric powder can still do the job. Now here's a little secret that most people completely miss. Add just a tiny pinch of black pepper to your tea. You probably already know green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants and natural energy boosters that give you calm, steady pep. Ginseng is what we call an adaptogen, which means it helps your body roll with stress, balance your energy, and fight off fatigue. Put them together, and you've got a tea that doesn't just wake you up. It actually supports muscle performance and endurance, too. Let's dig into ginseng first. This root has been Asian medicine's go-to remedy for weakness, stress, and declining vitality for thousands of years. Modern scientists have proven that ginseng contains compounds called ginsenosides that work on multiple body systems at the same time. They make your muscles better at using oxygen, so physical activity doesn't leave you gasping. They lower stress hormones that break down muscle tissue. And here's the big one. They boost mitochondrial function. Think of mitochondria as tiny power plants inside your cells that create energy. But ginseng doesn't just help your body, it helps your mind too. Here's something most people never think about. When your brain feels foggy or mentally exhausted, you're way less likely to get up and move around. Ginseng has been proven to sharpen mental performance and reduce that brain fog, giving you the clarity and motivation to stay active. Now let's look at what green tea brings to the party. Green tea is packed with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. This stress is a major player in muscle aging because it damages the proteins, fats, and DNA inside your muscle cells. When catechins neutralize these harmful free radicals, they help keep your muscles and joints healthier longer. Green tea also has a gentle amount of caffeine, much less than coffee, but just enough to give you a nice energy lift. But here's what makes it special. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that calms your nervous system. The caffeine-theanine combo gives you alertness without the jitters or that awful crash later. The big picture here is that supporting aging muscles isn't about finding one dramatic fix. It's about building a collection of small, reliable habits that work together to create resilience and help prevent senior leg muscle loss. What most people don't understand is that these invisible enemies, stress hormones, broken sleep, and nerve fatigue, directly impact how your leg muscles feel and function. When stress won't let up and sleep stays shallow, your body spends way more time breaking down than building up. The end result? Weakness, wobbliness, and a sense that decline just can't be stopped. This is where ashwagandha root tea offers something truly special. Unlike our other teas that mainly focus on circulation and endurance, ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogen that helps your body stay balanced when stress tries to knock you down. It regulates cortisol, your main stress hormone, and supports your nervous system, helping your body shift from constant tension into a state where real healing can happen. Why is this shift so important for preventing leg muscle loss after 60? When cortisol stays elevated, it actually speeds up muscle breakdown, weakens your bones, and ruins your sleep. By calming cortisol levels, ashwagandha creates the perfect internal environment for muscles to rebuild and energy to come flooding back. Traditional Indian medicine has used ashwagandha for centuries as a strength and vitality tonic. Modern clinical studies back this up, showing that daily use can increase muscle strength, improve balance, and reduce fatigue in older adults. What makes it especially effective is how it works on both mind and body simultaneously. Making ashwagandha tea takes a bit more patience than the others because the root is tougher and needs more time to release its healing compounds. If you're using dried root pieces, simmer them gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain and drink. The taste is earthy with a slight nutty flavor, and it goes great with cinnamon or a touch of honey. Want convenience? Powdered ashwagandha or tea bags work too, but the actual root usually gives you the purest effects. When should you drink it? If you need calm, steady energy during the day, morning works great. If better sleep and overnight recovery are your priorities, evening is perfect. Either way, consistency is everything. Adaptogens don't work like stimulants. Their effects build slowly as your body regains its natural balance. What I love most about ashwagandha tea is how it tackles the hidden causes of muscle decline that most people never think about. Weakness isn't just about shrinking muscle fibers. It's also about nerves not firing efficiently, hormones going haywire, and stress constantly undermining recovery. By supporting your nervous system, regulating cortisol, and improving rest, ashwagandha gives your body exactly what it needs to restore itself. Now let's put it all together. Ginger turmeric tea reduces inflammation and improves circulation, easing soreness and fueling muscle repair. Ginseng green tea enhances stamina and oxygen use, boosting endurance and mental energy. Ashwagandha root tea restores balance, reduces stress, strengthens nerve-muscle connections, and improves sleep, letting your body repair itself overnight. Together, these three form a simple, practical approach that addresses the major causes of weakness as we age. I constantly remind my patients that aging isn't about inevitable decline, it's about adaptation. Your body keeps responding to the choices you make, even at 70, 80, or beyond. A daily cup of tea might seem like a small thing, but when you choose wisely, you're giving your body compounds that target the exact systems responsible for strength, energy, and balance. Over weeks and months, those small daily actions add up to real changes. Legs that feel stronger, steps that feel steadier, and days that feel more energetic. Have you tried any of these teas before? I'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. And if this information helped you understand how to prevent leg muscle loss with aging, please share this video with someone who might benefit from it too. Your story could be exactly what someone else needs to take that first step towards stronger legs and better balance. Subscribe and wait our next topic about prevent muscle loss by using this grain that fights muscle loss and rebuilds muscle fast.